First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine, and this is the location for the engine air filter. Facing from the front and right at this corner, there is a clip that we will put down. Just like that. And then from behind, notice there is one more clip that's also supposed to be taken down. Showing from a different angle, we'll just put that clip down. Both of the clips are taken down. Now you notice there is one tab right here. Similar to that, there is one more tab behind this hosing right here. We'll actually need to grab the top cover and then slide it towards right side. So we will grab the top cover, lift it a little bit towards upside, then slide it towards right side. Just like that, the top cover is pulled out and right there is the engine air filter visible. To take out the filter, we will grab it from here and then we'll pull the filter outwards. And that is how the filter is taken out. In my case, the filter is new, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this side that is curved from the top, it actually stays at the top. Notice the bottom side is a little different, so that stays at the bottom. It does not matter if you install it this way or if you install it the other way around. Both of the ways are perfectly fine. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter back. All we have to do is just slide it in. Make sure it's in from all over the angles, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and put back the top cover. Again, notice the top cover has a tab right there. That tab has to be slided in into that position right there. And then from behind, if I show you guys, notice there is that one more tab right there. That also has to be slided in that position as well. So what we need to do is actually we have to make sure that those two tabs are inside those two positions. Here I'm sliding both the tabs in. Then I will just pull the top cover down completely. With that, we are good to punch in both of the clips to their place. First clip is in, we'll also punch in the second one on top. Both the clips are punched in. That wraps up the replacement for the engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.